So guys, if you're actually wondering why your data doesn't last as it ought to last, I'm going to be showing you the reason in this video and show you what is actually consuming your data more than expected, right? So first, we are going to go over to Google Play Store. So click on your Google Play Store app, and once it loads, come up to where you have your profile section, right? Click on your profile section. It's going to open. So click on your settings and come over to where you have general settings here. Click on it to expand, and then scroll down to where you have network preferences. You can see network preferences here. So go ahead and click on network preferences, and it's actually going to expand more. So come down, and here you are going to see where you have auto update apps and then autoplay videos, right? So I'm going to start with the first one, auto update apps. So once I click on it, here you are going to see that most times your phone, your device is being set to update your apps once you are connected to a Wi-Fi network, right? Most of the devices, most of the phone is automatically set this way. So, and most times you share your data, you connect your data to some other persons through your Wi-Fi network. And once they get connected to your Wi-Fi network, all the apps on their phone that need to be updated will start updating itself automatically. And that is why each time you connect your network to someone, before you know it, all your data are gone, right? So what do you need to do here? Just come over to where you have don't auto update apps and then select it, and make sure that before you connect anyone to your network, make sure you access the person's settings on Google Play Store and turn this off. If not, once you connect the person to your network, it's going to use your network to update all the apps on his or her phone. So that is why it's very important to turn this off, right? Now, if we go back again, let's go back, and then we are going to look at the second one, which is autoplay videos, right? So go ahead and click on autoplay videos, and you are going to see by default, most of the devices are set to play videos once they are connected to a Wi-Fi network. So come over to where you have don't autoplay videos and then select it, and then go over and click on OK, right? And now these have been saved successfully, right? So from henceforth, once you have been able to set these two settings on your Google Play Store, then your data will not be consumed more whenever you are sharing your network with other people, right? So make sure you get these settings done before you connect anyone to your Wi-Fi network, if actually you want your data to always last for you. Thank you, and stay tuned for more helpful video update. Also remember to subscribe to this channel so that you will not be missing any of our important updates.